Honestly, I was terrified. Genuinely, I was terrified. I was nervous. But on my second lesson, I've been successful in pedaling. Slowly but surely, I've been successful in pedaling.
I went to work in a care home, and one of the colleagues, I was just saying that, oh, I would have loved to ride one day. And she was like, yeah, you can do it. There's where you can learn it free and it's easy.
It was scary, you know, it's something I've never done. So today is actually my first day. So I was so scared.
When I first go on the bike, I was really frightened, afraid, thinking I'll have a fall. But with the assurance I got from my tutor, she just take everything step by step. And I was like, oh, I can do this. She said, of course you can. So that spirit of motivation kept me going.
I didn't think I would be able to do it. I know I came for the lessons to do it, but I know mentally I felt like I was giving myself a block, but I'm surprised. I think that's where I'm at this point.
It brings you out of depression, and because you get a lot of laughter in the process of learning, you get motivated, and the breeze that is blowing through you helps you release all those bad thinking, bad thoughts in you, and gives you a renewed energy.
Allows you to push past yourself. You need to be open to going past your comfort zone.
Just someone telling me what to do, and then that encouragement, oh, you can do it, you can do it.
And today I can say that I'm fulfilled, and I'm still on the first step.